Roma stretch unbeaten streak at the call. I have 47 matches this season. Record at Tower Motion say Wamusum never break here. Edia Benfica at the call 48. I likely say weekend Wamusum never to break Orana. You're projecting our 150 or no, and some about near Canasa. Momokanasa when glasses and Momokanasa space. Orana was born in glasses no and Demensa Canasa or Composi. A Roma woman na Adeba Cramana ye French story and then say I have 70 cinema and why yes I know 1970 Adeba 71 72 73 and Ora your friend say Antonello Venditti and some composi Roma woman some anyum wouldn't say on the chess anyum no report to me and say Enra wa brono some about stadium now just Yababa starting Roma and Leverkusen now Roma supporters Ashas here and some Jumi I just will run to Sanra now when your goosebumps our brand crano near Canada service Kunesa Sanra one years ago now what stands cinema and Roma supporters and some Atronium and Sana kick off and so a person in Naro Nachos Oranos one yache Nasamame a former player and some other Roma and Rabia Chum what can a reference Rutivola Yakasa Rutivola or Bobo Emma Roma Obekochi Roma Tamanu Jana Nas Emma Roma in here and no stands anymore now Chesaro Divola and some our Bruno and some Ayobia Chesano Omunano and some supporting Roma now Anquay our Baliva Kusi Timono and some Achos Ampa Woman's Edgomana so down come on be at ye and the Chesasma Cano and some I have 47 matches unbeaten Meno Casa Roma Timono and as a Liva Kusi Mom and some Astrache Mame Gani Jaka Mekano Paysen Granny Shaka Quano, one can a personal record. I have 44 matches unbeaten. Now the entire team. I have 47 matches unbeaten. Granny Shaka say, you want to just away. So I'm over 47 matches. Our bro BNWA, what they live a cruise no matter to call, and so Adiaka for Mom dear. Now, so interested be a live a cruise in Timono, one by Yasha, by Momutima, Omodesa, Samano Kasai, one more your match of bonus, Canada, one more match away from Sir, one by J. DV Pokal. And yes, woman and watch it. One must say 2 matches away from Sam Amabache Europa and some adios woman also in Latino. And your 47 game unbeaten streak. And on my attention, our good yesterday. One more boss matches when you know our bra will be in to me. Shall live a course in Yakanino and said to my den and so about was way a player. Your father said Granny Jaka Yentiano.
Know that we are 47 games unbeaten now. We know that everyone wants to beat us, but this is our challenge, this is our hunger, what we have day by day. This mentality, this belief, but as well the quality what we have. Even the players that are coming from the bench, this character of this team, togetherness. We are fighting for each one, each ball, and even without the ball, we are very, very good. We are not letting a lot of chances against us, but with the ball, we know the quality we have, and we can score against any team. Proud to be part of this game, proud to be in this game today to enjoy the semi-final today. Of course, we know that we are.
Yes, and I updated free a branch of fans. I have Granny Jaka sweater and I pay live for our branch media. Your fans are full time live on Sompa 93.1. You're also at the update in Inano, and so am I at your family teammate. Your fans are Jeremy from Pond, Naoka Plaza. Almost about lamb light our practices, and so more than Adiama Bobo Craft fans. Leverkusen now, Untimi more Abia Bobo Bisono. Now we know I Jeremy from Pond, and it's just Alas Gremado. Patrick Shekenom and Victor Boniface and it just Jonathan Tani Tapsobanom and it just Harry Henkapi Omunano will be a Jumadan Titan Wefri branch bar who way start here who not Jeremy from Paul. When he say Yamatu just so be a person share Leverkusen. No be any Leverkusen Babe show be a so shomana. Never mu cradrium so. Wabra Leverkusen Romu Tentene Coche. I just bonus league as woman so a brand matches nibi. And so coverage the free opening no more expertise and can be a Leverkusen. One more ever slow down. What's it? One more no man so slow down to say be a watching yourself Leverkusen already. One more champions our bonus league canunti. Uno more Bonoma Gomo Wama and your water. Dina also na 20 na Leverkusen one more that's our record P almost Monsa and so ebetimi akanema P ohonoma one more them say kwambia so club no and so ebetimi away Jeremy from Pond after the game on also Akasai.
we're going to buy arena, you know, so they have to come to our house, you know, and to come to our house, you know, it's difficult. So yeah, we just can't wait, you know, for the second leg. I think the motivation is easy, you know. We're in tournaments, you know. We're in the semi-final of the Europa League, in the final of the Pokal, you know, so it's easy to get motivated, you know. Of course, winning the league, everybody thinks, oh, we've done it, so we're gonna calm down, but there's more trophies out there, so yeah, the team's ready for it. Yeah, 100%. We're going.
Yes, and no, I am some Quadana, your friend, Jeremy from Pona, your Danish, some Emma, or Branches, and Europe, of course, one day, when I stand on British Street, Carol Quanimono, your Dana update in our demo, on some and Okasai, Yanim say, I get there, transfer market in Bia, and your players and whatever movie. Now, also, them say, I get there, a banner transfer, so Sodia, when #1 any from start, Ecosim Finfi, and they were finishing in an update to be also in your piano, what trust I have some part 93-1. Sabana transfers are pre-piano. Ya doma suko at the update in the mo. Yanim sa managers in super movie Enra. And a catch us a coach na. Ya found sa Mariso Potatino and Sansamono. A crab crabby be our na Enra will kaisa me catch us according to La Repubblica. One more Italy say on the offer. Aquacoma Antonio Conte say one yes and Omeya Jumano and some from a bobo crab fans at Chelsea. Na Meno Casa and Ano Periporta. Mensa Canasa Enra. Na Antonio Conte and I'm no casino. Made a former coach. Your fan sir Hans Flick. Our Yajuma Adama Diamond Shaft of Germany. Where Yajuma Bamuche Domuche Trouble Nibi. When him say South Coach no. Jaminian in Anasananko Upper Basa Jumana. Amfa Amano. Report to me second and nano pay. Yababe Romeo Studios and a late testaminian in Anasa. Yase Chelsea Fono and say Afredi and Comuvenia. Hans Flick and Embra and to Comodiani the Omu Dinamo. Na Tia Chelsea Bobokuno. Woman are you interested and watch it? Yes, a manager, your fan sounds a flick and so you'll be on no woman the Chelsea Jumanamana was say or did you pass a very exciting project and I just want to answer flick, you know, and some Ababaya. Now, Jamin said, can you say? Jamin say, yes, some commodity. Akoso dada ama chese omo dinkoma e wo phone so na emrebi atwam o kaisa last season wa bra e beto dwase omo pamu coach ye fan se Frank Lampard no certain na mame na fan se Marina Granovskaya wonom ana no ye adwuma edema boboku a ye fan se Chelsea sa mame no eno owura we aye fan se Flick no say ye sem omo dinkoma asie so omo pamu Lampard no de owura fan se Flick emefa adwuma no nanso emsam omo ntimi ankan wie no so our other options our Bramano Casa Name Casino, Yaso run Enya Premier League Nima, Wanom Ababa, Wamusa Quakunyane and Comodiana, Wamusu Dinim Rabia Tram Archer Serenano, and some other coaching coma, and no other update Abasan Commanamono, and that's our Germany. Report to me, Yansa, what can I say about Discassi? By some weeks ago, sir, Eric Ten Hag, so Manche, na Manchester for us, and one yard, and was son one yard, Janamani Kose, Kim Massa, one shot Bamunchi for a fan simple. Aden udru Manchester ye gidie pasa bia structures no and should anya adwuma to uya manager wo bre na some udru bamuntina wo structures aya adwuma ti say wo coach here wo focus our tactics and match day aya preparation nko ho and say that bia bamuntin fo no nya everything ha ga ebefa pa say obeka so mu tie discussion na ye me no kase na report to me nya no say everything ha o ma sha say din ho nkomo and some bamuntin na tiamye Jamaica na aya ni bre so nya say bia agro bamuntin fo no nya manager ye fa no set Ten Hag ne omo be for essence plan A, Zabi Alonso, and ye plan B, and some I Flick, and as a Negosman, and ye and a plan C, Ralph Ronick, and other rejected Omo, and to Abraham no Casino. Report to me, sir, can say, woman, your Manchester coach, no Omope, Mouse will be cross over Crown, cry up, as I said, Manchester Fonum and Yabra. Now, I'm sir, almost so Manchester Fonum, so answer, maybe some man you for Thomas Tuchel, Mekaya Pasa, Chekakra, and I make catch us to Usu Tidabi. Now, the open Abaya Ganini, now Mekasa man you super manager, your father said Thomas Tuchel, no, I'm on for bear, so man, I took out there, you already across what Germany, a bus and out in a bar, a German crowd went to me, and a Jenna, Wayasa, and now make us say, yes, say, manager Thomas Tuchel, so ono obi ani nkomo de ana sese baby an concentration ewo obasa obo Real Madrid a match our Santiago Bernabeu ewie because otena fio bo 2-2 enti ontimi mfa Manchester home komodi ema me kana dwenje ho yese manager ne mpese wo bia be fa phone afra na ansana wo me Real Madrid game abaso obaso afra na twen ema next midweek omo more return leg ni omo wie dia and e wo pa bia no wo so mbetimi afra na ama komodi no enso atimi abaso na Bobo Crefan said Dortmund yese Dortmund for say who girasi ayobia wamom abaso omde owura no enso abeka aye Dortmund omo tim ne ho na omo tesa girasi nso yobia am say the buyout clause our form adena our form no kwade na chese kwan bia so no wom so mbetimi afa no and watch Manchester Bobo kona akwadan na ye fa no Jadon Sancho ye de no nkomo enro Sancho ena me no kasai yese man yu mpan fo no bi paso omo chese boy no ompa ombo nyame ani woman kasa wogidie se Manchester nan kasa pa de se omakasa boy no kra bia coach no ko enti akwara ne kra mra wo so omdiri eba se nyade se Sancho no enso abesa ba biem ade se Chelsea and Romelu Lukaku a situation no na omgidi e tro mo se Jadon Sancho ayo bia mo pa mo fa keteni ho ha meso na mo mburu masa wo ma Manchester biem e wa bra kwada no san ye se na me no kasa Man U enso ampanfo no wo mo so ese hu nyoma na enra afeni eba Premier League nan kasa me enra wa bra akoba se Bobo Crefan se Tottenham asa ba jigu omo simple enso our Stamford Bridge no and what me say ball at Chelsea boy the brown ya bi hwa kopa bi hey na see na dey start day one sanya no san ka bia da bia na akwakwa bi ohoi na Chelsea nti nipa kasa manim basa Chelsea nti nipa kasa ma rough ba ya bro ya gusu kra brem na eno Tottenham manager no wonim sam okọ post match ana mo busa no say no pani ade na nkoye and was in Toba some notebook. I can see also more book back and I headmasters no. One more time you super. Also headmasters and I'm not to know about assembly just here by you. Or rather say it won't go to South book could be now one more reasons in Tia and Tottenham. Elusu match and some one say be ampa and ra one mushie. Enro omu degree enro Tottenham Bobo kono womu chawata chese nye a chese modemano wo form pa enti onu de woni hwe kan bi defeat na nka senra no mo ye poor na Chelsea manager no on the Dutch in the future and open me tell ho adiama manager no say one kasa wa bro na bra wa bra ni nyina no won yana Arsenal for no ma chire Chelsea's back masa yempe jam serie any jam support to be attached na Jonas senior general mesremu a yempe jam support to be na Chelsea manager Pochettino was say yana yawo wodun ya oyenipa anam say ya kan wote and also man for church be ko to internet so a yana Pochettino wote because o say yana ya obo match na to be area near scrutinize who coach what you na Pochettino na dagouta no de nsa kunebo ana poch obi a won kasa ana ban se na poch di we be share ha ana ban se na di we be see ha and just de bia ye hwa nsemu wogiri pass omono na enyi ne ye na joba so kan nyina no sa manager bia wa asase su bia no sa wa point no o ma sani pan time a enya de se bia djuma wo hwanim se bia betimi abono eno so abebam coach bia hia time and inti sa unya time a eboa ema philosophy boys na atiase eboa ema chasa wo ideas ni nyina no won so otimi de man kwadana won so ono mo ye adwuma e wa brana no pay no eno aye kakra free manager na so ye ade abana player ye fa no kono Gallagher masa enro akom hi ya a chance o ma shi o mu kwanhia mu masa enro am se babia be fa bia na bema kunko minim sanro bana no so mo de ba stade no so ka ho na revelation bi ba say yes time na Thomas Tuchel our Chelsea no fu say N'Golo Conte ekwa and your Conor Gallagher ebetimi I the next N'Golo Conte and some adama Chelsea Bobo Kuno now so akwa bi before kra Shaq mama manager Mauricio Pochettino on akwadana fan say Conor Gallagher omo bisa no so pani na nya bia Gallagher moton and answer mama boy next day was on him on decision and perform taking when you're involved. It is what you say be on what can be on performing adventure say be akwadano munya kwan one woman in Tana said the engineer on count a situation I was up and the club in performance software Galagadian will be any Safi and found and said the situation match be our start match be our ball and I can be beach now into porch on player no.
I'm not involved. I don't know nothing. I cannot tell you.
But can you just give us a sense of how important Conor Gallagher is for this group right now?
I think you can see in my starting 11 that I think the whole season was always there. With all the circumstances, it was there. No, it's important. Yes, it's an important player, of course. But I am not involved in the decision. It's the club and Conor.
But you want him to stay ridiculous.
I am not involved. That is a situation that they need to fix in between the club and the player.
Yes, I know I am manager now. Tessa, you're turning some Emma, you're cheer for an annual pay life. Our project media, you're finding some full time, you're so at the updates and you know. And so Emma, Mamma Man City, Aquatana, you're finding some fell 14. Unum Kase says I have 14 and I J Football Writers Association of the Year. I had yes, I'm a player of the year and Bemma from no one and Argent FWA Football Writers Association. I'm a footballer of the year award, no one more at Jamal Korana Fanasa fell 14. One energy, Declan Rice at Tosumian Arsenal, Makotano, and Alfred Rodri at Tosumians, other nominisa, no more Emeyenciano, Martin Odegaard on your nomination, Oli Watkins and your nomination, and Alfred Cole Palmer, and to the footballer and as a Football Writers Association. I'm a player of the year award, no one more at Jamal Korana Fanasa 14 say, Nania J. Odo Bias and teammate, and it's a Somoma Cano Momo for me. I City supporters and Obibiano, what Dominans was saying, a coach, your fans of Pep Guardiola, many Jana also Kofakutana, your fans of Mateus Nunez, every Wolves a buy. Now, by the by, on shooting your playing time, said, yeah, Mateus as other panel. Now, so you see Pep say, or did you still Aquadano, or you'll be an Oberban Faswa, or you'll be a Dachibian and Faswa, bet me up Banasuntine, Mamo, yes, I, and will be Jano Cram and Aqua, and there'll be a many Jano Chess Aquadano on Shana Mani Mobini, I didn't know, one say, no could be a player, your friend is Mateus Nunez, and some Abena playing time at the Amabobo Craig, fan of some Man Syria, and no answer, almost where, and so at the Baon something, yet the Emma, yet for an answer on pay, and some our show us Arsenal. Mammy found two when our brother men said, and some others and phone, and your Jumaka have fight, okay, Drubabi, and my catch us Arsenal manager, your friends are Peter. As what they have, that's what you yes, it to strike us whoa, and I covered my judgment to do baby na Nancastle Premier League Gaia Buacamonsa, Womatina fellow Zuma, Aston Villa Bima, PS Montamun number comes out, Sanka only Watkins, Abopoma Arsenal, and Casagamno, Womu need best at 3-0, and ho, and my manager, and some Enyat, etc. Now, Menokas Arsenal, I'm a priority, and so I a winger than centre forward. Nessa still as what dinner, and today I saw the striker. Now, Debbie Obio, Jinan Tentano, Edna, Serbia winger, and some other striker. Yes, Mikala Teta Fusa, Sir Havet, Oha. Unshere here striker gidi bia and to win ganimum and some other boy archers and so I update and what he one so say here pivot next will be to me boss 6 and I dependent on Sam Bekan on the price Bansafonia Bre Aquadana your father Thomas Pate make an pay our tip off so when your first timer Bansa for Apple Patana say be a link in the Eba Nemon Pate experience I will league Muntina Bansafonia Bre and Jide Baso Konwa Sikasam about from Kakra and depending on Sebia Bakobako Ebia Jorginho one best will stay and Sebia Jorginho stay ama Patakwa one best Ebia pivot Bako and some Ababekan Ewa Breno and so I update Eba your chance manager your fans are Tata Ghana time Acha Ebia best at 12:30 and every the pre-match conference Ababaso I was so bad reality Omu training center Nempo proud to Omu game against Ayo Bournemouth no one of some other some Ababetuka and no Aya Kakra Bamano Kasai, manager Fanasa Jurgen Klopp, where we in the Premier Conference, and now person say we can do ball and so game no. Now Virgil van Dijk was went to me on your training this weekend in Yamiadama Sunday. While Liverpool and Tottenham Elbono, Van Dijk and to me must have match and be and watch it. Manager Fanasa Klopp say Premier League and I'm for BCI and Enyanya over Enyanya over mathematically. And you're over the Surin, you know, what did he pass as our Tosumi and Sankrana? Liverpool bad as how such Arsenal form. Man City a form and it's here never say Liverpool toss me and sign anybody now Jabba crying Depay said me back last week no say automatically Liverpool qualify for next season Yamea Duma UEFA Champions League so many jana said many Japan and Niche or no when I'm saying any playing no many budget hair or no one found so fast and Niache that is the most important thing our brain day or must qualify for Champions League Yentia manager your fan say Jurgen Klopp
behind two teams who.
First of all, congratulations on securing Champions League football for next season.
Thank you. I take that. I felt exactly the same last night. I was really happy. You see just how it goes. So we speak today about qualifying. After last season, we speak today, 3 games before the end of the season, about qualifying for the Champions League, which is an achievement. Does it feel to everybody like that? Maybe not. To me, it does. So, and that's how the perspective can change during the season, because for a while we obviously looked like we can go all the way, or at least stay in the race for longer, which was definitely possible for
yes, and when he and some manager fans are Jurgen Klopp now, what you say, your dinner accepts my Tiofana, Omuzansa, now only Mohamed Salah, Momonsan, saying, many judges say, well, come and we are singing out to say, a non-story, not just as MBN. Mamon Quatraba being Quatrachana, I and wine this, wine that. Many judges say, you want to be on Mohamed Salah, Shini, way a issue, Omutimi solve Omanka Somodia, internally problem, be any babia, and Timobian Conquer Trabi being conquered. Now, Mammy manager fans Eric Ten Hag and a mountain in the size me and also to manage an Americano. Now, many Janelican. Where you want me parents and my bad other one so when it Gary Nuffo eating come on sky and you want and away you know on the Premier Conference about so and I am a day almost a quote so penny says the man you to me qualify for Champions League now mathematically ebia Europa and I said be a conference we bet me a come our FA Cup final e bo arches so much me come anim na anya bia na no se hwe na anya Premier League require more matches ni bia ka also mo ball also mo defend Manchester badge no na and wachi amanfo bu odidie say man you am Champions League na bia omo per player ya na omo bre manager say that on tia na omo do omo swag gaje man da bia o Manchester team a whole mood man you our swag dada. It is a man you back with everyone's open. I am very simple. Our brand from and it's a Manchester Ever Champions League. And as a Manchester Ever Champions League, our man you are budgeter. One back transfer market. As so the minimum and Susan players na man you as well more penho to Manchester coach.
We have 2 opportunities, and that is one over the league and one in the FA Cup final. Definitely will have an impact on the budget. But I'm sure Manchester United is a very attractive club to play for. So many players will be very pleased and be very happy to play for Manchester.
And what you say, one manager say, my club, no, I am very attractive. Our players out of P. Every person be see come to now. Do come P, mame. One is Sky Gary Nuffo at Manchester coach. No, was say you want to just say I am part. Now come up Hurricane or they can cry because Hurricane already are proven our Premier League anymore. But I'm a Hurricane, Omanya, Omukonya Rasmus Hoyland, and it's only Hoylander, Mempeja expectation. I was so low on the sense of Fay and a Hoyland, Ebabe Peke. Womunya Kane Dian Canuano, wasn't Comunya Frankie the Young Ukraina, and come Manchester and Fifi, and your Frankie the Young near na Casemiro, Elsunia Massa, Kabe Beatia. Now so Korea says Scott McTominay mun ebo. Enti manya Kane na munya Hoyland no, munya betrama boys no.
But he needs time. You have to accept that you get talents in instead of already the players who are already proved it in the past, and had some choices made with talents like Rasmus Højlund, and I can see a striker who already proved it, who we wanted to sign, but we couldn't get him. And then we went to Rasmus. But with Rasmus, he's a talent.
It's about Harry Kane there.
Yeah, but it's not. But Harry Kane, you get 30 goals, and I think Rasmus, he will get there. But he needs time. It's not fair.
Yes, not just a no, I can't feel my sweat about Fay, young call La Liga, and Mamma Fanto, and said, no, Casino. Yes, Real Madrid, and Barcelona, Omino, and European clubs, Bansabia, Jason, Wamusunyam Faso, Efrimo. Now, Gatensa, Bons and Madrid, almost Casemini, Real Madrid, Jason, I 120 million euros, and Adidas, Etienne annually at the Real Madrid, and Sana, Emirates Airline, I just a goo, I catch an and also resist 70 million. What kind of manage as a 190 million and a Madrid kit manufacturers and as a kit sponsors Omadema Madrid Bas and Sodiano woman 105 million euros at the free Nike now Spotify good just in and also almost 70 million euros 175 million euros at that's rainy one out Europe as I say Jamaica can say JC and send something a resist can say and some at the moment not just a 1 and 2 for no woman I don't know Mammy front two one our Vadebas and I know no Bobo Crefan said Real Madrid training air basso na egusu across from no cast obia training report to mensa can say team no will be on some ultimate training here na Andre Lunin a goalkeeper say baby akwa training some of the contract renewal akwa come boy ne data dia can say be boy ne camp ebe study na omufu say be o standing a contract no and so Adama Madrid one also assign Manchester for no yes man you for monitor Hoselu na Real Madrid striker for say Hoselu waba Premier League no play and Shadanfa na yes Manchester for no monitor kakra kada sakoba say be Real Madrid for so be jane dia wo muso nya akara na for say Hoselu wo mba person no boy na ebe ya juma na mom dia men say kan say Hoselu ebe so stay and some our Real Madrid our brand no and so I update eba hon sem ni nyina no ye de Lewandowski was umpo opa and showbo the best work can in an Barca the biggest club our we are self and in our sassy so but be able to be a Barca now on our Barca team no and the man you're proud into more Montias I'm sorry I and your Champions League 14 Yeni Massa Lewandowski say woman yet the biggest team our sassy so now Jamaican in so rubber could be your fan Jordi I Barca ni mapa was it Barca for Jana Ekroman Koto supporters and tie do mo yade pa yibima owura fa no so yorta jordi onye na small can me dwe wonam say make sense papa was it over Ghana your Barca supporters say Barca sika samye etudi anka wiasa fa no nyina obi a wo support to Barca bia ka wakoma wo de che Barca 5 euros. Now they multiply 5 euros by the number of aye fans on be donate aye 5 euros I'm a Barca player BN wasasi so Barca bobo koni timinto Jordan Jordi amam plan pa mamo strategy waso de wiase fane nyina Barca and start a different say jibima wo be am 5 euros masa wo be Barca pe bia no Barca team no and so abaton a chese no and so aye update about man you for kroya san so mo Victor Rocky on loan na say Manchester dia masa mani abrio yes Rocky no so nyana adwen so no ebe so ko playing time and open them as of now and akra omo training na Barca no Victor Rocky entimi an training Joshua Kimmich ade no ba bia kwakodu no say Barca no so omo pe na mom yes omo suro omo sika sam nti bia na akwara na extend e de amabobo kwefan say Barca quick one AC Milan Ultras no say where your Kuruva suit womo so mba ba demonstration nyame ya ma weekend this Sunday Milan against Genoa at there Ultras this one be stadium pa but omo ba omo nsam womu nyi handkerchief omo mpega fly na me say na mo ba be omo say he omo maka nyina so mra bi na omo nyina so pa bia womo so omo tie twere a champion for say last season am de G League no mo ye signings ni ye e de na ba ne o ma chia yi mo ye coach a ye kama wo ten kwada se a and ono sa manager no boys no e be improve eti Sunday on ba be dane sabi mumu our stadium just no I kakra fi omaso ye and so adebasejo consensal yes the agent Jorge Mendes abeso pushia and then a client no come AC Milan say be free Porto ababe ye adwuma ediama Milan omu team no abra no and some update ba won some nyina no ye de MH for yes yem fancy na yem na meto aso meza say bibia find here
me adomahwe ye ni experience
okay then me ase pass bibia fine yem come
fancy ma yenche tiefo ne mo makwa ban famra so passport so na no pay say me gitu me is also ho ye come
nyame adom
because na no pay okay ti abebo me stories upon stories pass say so how the wokiti the enimu nyina ha oba otimi kriti story
o shintro brutal
o kriti story ne man ye hu say ebia na ne ko jimina Jack na ne when see na fancy na hey
na kuma credit yaro
okay o see so didi pa
okay
o see so didi pa dem say o kaso because mu pie na mo to aduane adia
some passports
double Shadrack am ye nin komo na no pay kakra na ehwe ade bi ma me WhatsApp kakra de mo me na me say na me case ni so pa fancy me enche tiefo ne mo makwa ba ne ense komo na se free say the honeymoon period is over for AS Roma and Daniel De Rossi. Reality, Abem. Now, the difference between Jose Mourinho and De Rossi, experience. Any trophies between the two sides, any pedigree between the two coaches, no mujina a bench, no. And I'm sure said the Rossi bet na so be kan nsem bia Jose Mourinho kan ansa na wo ja team ne ho akọ because Jose Mourinho had so many reasons to be wrong about in the tenure at AS Roma. Maybe per individual players be our signing or mobile team mo betima kan ho asem. Wo betimi akasa about the defensive tactics ano mo AS Roma na do na gitumi say limited the quality of players be to say Paulo Dybala mo. And so wo. But say what the sound your way in Agunche. I think one thing I just say Mourinho setting the straight and say Roma competing on two fronts will be quite problematic. Because only enough depth in quality. You see, quality better than quantity.
Of course.
And sometimes when you have quality and quantity together, okofa. For example, over here this particular Roma team in terms of players in Chromo. Almost starting 11. Kasdorp mu nyina ne namu. Gianluca Mancini mu ne namu. Chris Smalling mu ne namu. Spinazzola mu ne namu. Paulo Dybala, Brian Cristante, Pellegrini, Stefan El Shaarawy, Tammy Abraham, Romelu Lukaku. On a very good day, you are competing on two fronts where you want to qualify for the top 4 when it comes to the Italian Serie A. Now, the Italian Serie A, Medica say a competitive say due to the number of coaches are money apija was our league in him. Over fight war. Then you come to the Europa League, where Omo dropping from the UEFA Champions League in the Europa League. It's you are competing not with top coaches, but you are competing with quality. It's at that stage, you need to perform beyond their levels. It will be balanced books, You need to have Lukaku always fit. Make experienced players or more team more. You need to have Chris Smalling always fit. You need to have Spinazzola always fit. You need to have Paulo Dybala always fit. It would this is like a crabina who bet me actual. Now Roma bought a crucial game against Bayer Leverkusen. And they on the right hand side a cast up ne kwakobo. And they started the game and at 10 to 15 minutes na cast up pompo. No sakoye mistake. And a Florian Wirtz ball in the two net. How De Rossi is going to deal with the whole quality and quantity setup around Roma in terms of individual players? A test of the time as a coach, I was Siswa or Peso coach team. And as you see, honeymoon period near over. How to overturn the results? Because in the league now there's so much pressure on them. Atalanta is picking up gradually with the injuries now. No more baby. See, so players are hold on ever. And then Atlanta went toe to toe with Olympique Marseille. And they'll be willing to say, who position now, unless Atlanta need Europa League. Now say Roma betoso seta, Roma will qualify for the Champions League. And yes, now say Atlanta no team and the Europa League. Now Atlanta form now what picking any matches now Roma I failed to win in the last 2 games in the league, you know. And Dania, Fancy Di Maria. When Atlanta picks up the position of the Peter, Roma will miss out on the Champions League and will have to resort for another Europa League.
Yeah.
And tactically, Alonso Bonepa. Fancy. You so bro, I catch yourself bro. Commitment Roma bear 4 and have 5 and ra. This is a learning curve for De Rossi. You can have passion, you can have a lot, but how to manage your in-game tactics, is something he needs to work upon. And me sure say, I'm on some mokafa Jose Mourinho who needs some mokafa and who need no reality better don't know you. How to turn the situation around? You heard on Baye.
Because we call 2 European finals in a row.
Back to back.
Yeah.
It you heard your Baye.
Winning 1.
Winning 1.
Lose 1 2. The eventual.
And Sevilla show Europa League final.
The Sevilla for the moment there.
And the almost the Sevilla are comparative shooter.
And Sandy Panos or Jose you me van say Jose share no. Ni film Alonso. Alonso nso na ba show.
And me say Gianluca Mancini, Muni Pellegrini, mo say they go on overturn it. You know, football there anything can happen. But Casa ne dey, any ball near her no dey. Leverkusen will also have another ombejen your mobi bredi tiomo. Now fancy, and I say Leverkusen near your mobi bredi tiomo. Now where do Olympiacos the bear Aston Villa? I've seen complaints this morning by Jurgen Klopp, any other coaches, and in previous times they say in the Premier League, the reason why when they go to Europe they don't perform, because so omu fixtures are not pile up the go. Yeah. Iti omu Europe now, omu nyada agenda na so omu shede nyada quality you need to perform at that particular stage.
Carabao Cup no crown for so.
It is our tournament no mu boni na, but fancy to be realistic, those 4 competitions play a role. But me ametie, me believe it's the ego of the Premier League teams and their performance in terms of the European competition, a boy kakra. Yes. In recent times, maybe in 2003, 2004, Babesi 2007, maybe kwani English teams in 4 teams in the semi-final of Champions League.
Yeah.
Now, maybe no in the last few years, about Champions League, they the last 2 decades. Last 2 decades, ya kwa chenye last decade imreni ntino. Si ya checking the last decade, ya besha se fi 2014 mebwa. Si ya sha se fi 2014, and when I did Champions League in 2014, Real Madrid.
Real.
When I did in 2015.
Barca.
When I did in 2016, 2017, 2018.
Yes, Spain, Madrid.
2019.
2019 say if one number 5. Bayern, Anna.
2019.
I know share PSG.
I know share PSG. 2020. 2020 na Bayern.
2020 na Bayern.
And Bayern.
Anna Chelsea be fan 21.
Anna Chelsea be fan 21.
Yeah.
Anna 22.
So Liverpool na be fan.
Liverpool na fan 19.
19, yeah.
It's Real Madrid, it's Barcelona 2014 1. 2015 year. It is Spain 2014, Spain 2015, Spain 2016, Spain 2017, Spain 2018. Beboa. 2019 England. 1 no. 2020 Germany 1. Beboa.
Yes.
2021 England 2. 2022 England. Maybe 2022 was not England.
They say City there 2023.
City there 2023.
So last season
2022 was
Madrid. I know I'm
86. So in this particular period of time, England for me and some of my okay on our screens, very good. Thank you very much.
So 2019 Liverpool.
So 2014 Shadrach Medasepa. 2014 Spain. 2015 Spain. 2016 Spain. 2017 Spain. 2018 Spain. 5 on a roll. Anna England beje bako 2019. Anna Bayern Munich beshem in Germany. Anya benya England BM in 2021. Anya sabenya Spain ye benya England. So in the space of the decade, 10 years, England a team yaji say 3. Meboa. Anna Germany yaji say 1. Anna Spain yaji mako say 6. Fancy. Obey me related this particular aspect to a moment in time. Abeka say league nene your money bibia kosoro ni ade. But fancy me amete to me say the ego and how realistic the Champions League is. And there are England for no one say Premier League, let's say Champions League in
our attraction. Benya quality sir.
Enya quality sir.
Our attraction. Meba.
Yes.
Yenchim ne bia de o kana man for.
The Premier League has the attraction.
Say Ajidin.
But it doesn't have the quality.
Okay.
like the Spanish La Liga, more quality in because
Europe and the MC Spain for that. Sevilla for
Sevilla edge Europa League. Not Sevilla, one of the worst teams in the Spanish La Liga.
Sompa Sports.
Not Sevilla pray for relegation or the Spanish La Liga. But Obemeki is sure so babeje. You bet me about the number of competitions, mobile FA Cup, but when it comes to quality, the Premier League lacks quality as compared to other teams. I know Champions League. Then I'm a shady. John McGinn. Obekasa about Watkins. Obekasa about Leon Bailey. Leon Bailey ni prudence. Difference be pa na wo mkese.
I say prudence about Premier League ni mo. Not to mention man for pa na.
Akabi mu si so na akabi mu bobo na akabi enye na akabi.
Prudence o free Premier League or Championship.
Ni mo kwata ana obesene call Olympiacos. Ah yen setting your money straight ma o muntiase ye o fancy. And Obibaka say na Premier League, the Premier League bias, no. It's all about the attraction.
Yes, FA, the most worst.
And it is competitive. But when it comes to quality, when you get to Champions League at this stage, it is quality in a differentiating more.
Okay.
Also Newcastle Newcastle the likes of Manchester United and Chelsea more league anymore because of the competitiveness. We say yeah. But Dortmund are not also fit in the Bundesliga. Now Dortmund, me met my catch said this is even individual players and Dortmund players who are moving. But the quality in defense. Where the quality in defense.
Aston Villa.
First Otifio. Mama can say next season I'm for the Aston Villa qualify for Champions League. Aston Villa qualify for Champions League. I'm telling you, I'm a group stage to come on qualify.
Sompa Sports.
I'm a group stage to crown on qualify. It's about the European competition level. Ye niagro that stage, you know, ye niagro. It's in a never check it. Europa League top 4 teams now can in a woman or Mrs. Kaisedu. Ubiem Kakramami Akabemi de Pa. Way Mrs. Kaisedu no Rodri. By Skoka. Fancy. Didn't in Chelsea quarter Mrs. Kaisedu in the buy pa.
So much shield.
Oh, Messi did the defense,
yeah.
And Uko PMU a year Brighton and Hove Abioma son of Ebana. Thank you very much. It's here and I will school look down, mommy. Now, check it in this particular sequence. You are the defensive part of a defensive midfielder, and you are the attacking part of the defensive midfielder. The reason why I believe Moises Caicedo will come good for Chelsea, you fancy?
Someone finds your network and born in the kitchen, but
in terms of the possessive duties of Moises Caicedo, open play passes completed 1,584, and yen factor into this to say the form of a Chelsea, fancy Di Maria, yen factor a Chelsea players or Marco form with your new adaptation. Any crowd more fast from winning pick here because Moises Caicedo moved from Brighton just to Chelsea. Different expectation, different environment, and Chelsea assistant how many coaches?
Yeah, say from Porter they bar Lampard. So between Porter and Lampard,
and this is Mauricio Pochettino's first season. Open play passes completed 1,584. Or Bruno Subebre. Chances created 39-16 or broke Caicedo Subebre. Passes attempted or broke Caicedo so. Passes completed or broke Caicedo so. Yanko down mame. Enko kakra. Where when the team is in possession, the contribution that Rodri adds to this particular setup, but the gap between the two sides and fancy emu wadiye. But Yanko recoveries the gap between Rodri and Caicedo and so recoveries the gap between Rodri and Caicedo and so. Rodri na 205, Caicedo than 176. Possession lost. Rodri has lost more possession than even Caicedo lose ball.
Okay.
Fancy. So you look at the two aspects of a midfielder. One in possession, one out of possession. In possession, Rodri is a better player this season in the league than Caicedo. But out of possession, Mijitum Yese Caicedo is proven. And this is Caicedo's first season. In a team establishing
Sompa Sports.
In a team I feel no more peke. In a team I feel na Enzo Muninani other players ni peke abdeba. Declarize their cross on by. And Sana to the last season who are Brighton. Fancy Di Maria. He is not responsible for the price tag. Or not responsible for that 105 no 110 million pounds near the turn. He did not put up that price. Brighton at the price in the Cotonou so. But the last games, any the statistics now prove it's just a matter of time. Caicedo will be the value of money for Chelsea.
Meza say na chesenche bi amfa so beba so. Okay, mate. Meza say me ba vara so na fe ya to so still. That so our foreign 3P garlic mixture. PWAC Natural Health Limited. Omon penny for na drono. Be any 3P garlic mixture nenom enya ya. Boa pa na nenom so enya you know enya dinkra because one my very simple ema boa ema wa high blood pressure. So enyoma ye kama feel your banner or menstrual pain so menstrual disorders nyina no ebetu ase ama oyo bi a asthma how and I say why kese ama bro so won tade nyina achew won tade nyina nko obesity aba wo de no 3P garlic mixture wo fa juju stroke ebe say de no ho gym and I say na say etimi atitiriti wo fro ka free adu sunwan wo fro ka free adu chese kire ponenom ene mmea aka na na say atitiriti awadro no eno so eno na beboa powerful aye bloated wo sugar level e wo soro immune system no obeso boosting ema chese nya hoden serebe a ebe fight area tia nyado ahodo adro no 3P garlic mixture no na beboa ama chese oni padua no enya chenimfa ahodie na nya hoden ma papa bi atodro bi akona kopa bi to 0248 928824 0201 000021 now on phone and Casa Telecel network and then say ya bagana had a baby Fabiano will be a switch a bus network bakwa connect energies a Telecel and Penfosse and Cancho said Joe some card Momo register Manomusan register Telecel cash and so and come on some year Juma as I say vendors ring and mobile register mo merchant and now master to business our bra will send this guy very simple yente and fast one and so a would accommodate any internet no aye kama browser show na just say ebie ama aye Telecel connecting energies amadaroma yada so edi show no nsem no and my messages no more aba meba so na me dia kan nyina no edi aso so virus say bibia find there
fancy nyame adom
yentiwe
fancy Pochettino edin komo
Sompa sport
no Chelsea win here but I'm not even concerned about winning Chelsea win here because I'm saying Chelsea be winning against Tottenham or Stamford Bridge
because I know can say mo visit ni na ba ko pe
and looking at more performance in away games near than form and no Tottenham team now clearly you could see that this is a team that they lack confidence into on bobo na wanga sa ultimi hu but some Pochettino can about time you know fancy say oh ba na obaba fie from school was damn here pamphlet we wato damn here book we wato damn here pencil we ma who say tablet we madam for you wa be pa we use ya the amount ni kika na boom na still our performance na papa will say what man won farm na on to be call upon can say all my time
oh so person a pilot
so on to be can say all my time then did make answer sa time na forget nya Manchester United me yes was team bia benya bibiem e da ma Porsche
yes
until time now can time in saying because Chelsea for GDA say omato players and of course omato players and my coach the time you need should let them know say there be your coach need your time but say oh hey and ball now you could say there is this clear pattern of play there is this improvement on individual performances normal consistency here Juma it should tell you something say there be the way I normally see Koidie if given the opportunity if given the set time coach ni betima ya Juma no but Chelsea has suffered from inconsistent performances and point now can about money Liverpool many Manchester City and Arsenal inconsistent performance and come here say Chelsea problem no ya dey back Chelsea bobo na you say Chelsea be continue go Chelsea be continue and partner Chelsea continue go and clearly you could say problem back persist for a long time no be ntimi see adena no the person is
a managerial problem and sometimes on say be all loud then out to be full say manager ni be a one penance but the thing is I mean will be post X and so Nipan was like when we say Kukurera we say Chelsea kitabo no mo kwa akumya so steady abo so ba be share in future ma Mudrik mum na back say no na about 3 no e ya dey we in the pre-season so what changed
and it's one thing no more no pre-season as e koye ma Chelsea no wura system na kasa in the league no as what done no and ama Chelsea inconsistent performance our results nko emfa Chelsea say all per time he needs to start giving the Chelsea supporters, the Chelsea faithful, so if given the time with individual performance or more performance improve. Among what did you say? Kopama performance wasn't the doing of a Porsche because he was trained by Pep Guardiola.
Yeah,
players don't know
pre-season.
Players don't know pre-season. how normal improving in Chelsea setup. So if it's also per time let people know say time now a bank kakra you are giving performance and not performance Chelsea Danadi. If they are to continue, probably maybe you make room in the top 4 because this is the season we believe that Chelsea one of their worst season. But look at points a woman Manchester United in terms. It tells you say no one says but say inconsistent and one thing each and every single time because what Chelsea in T and match is there be done. So Posh spend time there. On Chelsea for say there is improvement on individual players. In recent times, Mudrik because not with Mudrik no confidence now with me far ball no so bendy ball this and yada. But a lot of players were team on me a talent don't ball but you improvement your game so. If you are to see it, a month will say it's a porch in your time. But as a one yes, the performance you are inconsistent here. You always say it's your time, but people won't even listen to you. But because mom the way no city no. Nipa bia we asi bia na ma oyema ho no ena ma de yehu de wi nipa beti ha hell. Jose Mourinho asem aye kan and Roma asem na aye kono. Senkenya Jose Mourinho ne baaye. Ena odi Roma call a European final tour. And when the Becas ya Jose Mourinho he believes that Jose Mourinho is not performing TM no. But no was set man home and no he's achieved. Where do they put to here? Where do they Chelsea Babe here? Do Quedo Inter Milan, do Quedo Real Madrid, Tottenham at the point of call fan and your Pamono. Or Saba Chelsea who do Manchester United when they kakra. The San one away in Nano or first squad among for this other squad with the moon said on your day. But when that element now appear in place and was any place he would deliver. And don't you say Kamaka could be as a matic because GD is a matic someone the real the system matic man as or Roma he wasn't a bad coach. He won them European trophies and went to finals and now more holder. So Nkawan because a Pamelo say Mourinho, but it's because of what he said for himself. He's done a good job over the years. But we are one in them, a Juma Waye, players are what produce and all that. So when they come and more homeworking and from wow standards are that we believe that there be the kind of person that could GDS a fan by the way I was starting but the idea Bruno. The GDS intimi on your many idea you say when you suffer for now because teams then say all any teams no more pamono can you just say when you brain ho tell you see because Tottenham near pamono beko Roma near pamono but because of what he's done over the years and people believe that when he comes he needs to be measured by the same thing omutimi fan na pepe because na be ya remember man so tima kon so you say Mourinho as we see Obenya Juma, he will get a Juma, be a relative form. I want to me about Kono just standard nim no Kosura. When he start to come down, people will say to him, no, Noma, and said, Enqui and Famom. So I think that he's a good coach. And no matter no be but he's been measured by one no was at a man home. Okofa put to the put by the Champions League. But we need Chelsea their first ever League 30 in 50 years. Now call and them the real now Basasi Bo Real Madrid was Spain. Now call Inter Milan. Almost champions now you see when was small but quite trouble the moment. Oh yes, animal already now the Roma budget trophy. We believe said that we will come to my Jumano. Into 1 year, and never I'm on sweat me up. So I think that on one Casano, ne standard na Emma or no sweat me because I know Roma for now the reality on grounds. New coach, but definitely people who want to impress. They will come in and they will want to perform and all that. And only they say, don't do a madruno. So share story I about Skamaka, Kwakuli di Italy or Euros now. Italy will be going to the Euros and they will want to go after some year defending champions. No, they will want to go and tell the world say, "Sir, 2022 World Cup no man kono. I want by beam and I want by Trom. So me powerhouse in terms of say your national football. No, so into Omoko and so here Omo number 9 now. This is Italy national team. You talk of Empanifo Manyo Mo. We say I can talk of Gigi Rivamo. Giuseppe Mieza, Ubenya Del Piero Mo, Inzaghi Mo, Akadamo. They've produced quality strikers in their national team. But now if you look at them, now here are more strikers, no more Mudina and Koye. The kind of performance and the kind of results or more and more goals or matches or national team. Nobody comes close currently to around defense Skamaka or Ba West Ham United. No man farm. So how do you see now? Na among for who say all league he was going to perform, I want performing. Or call Atlanta, I don't want to damn farmer, but in recent times, what 10 year new leave, and he's giving the goals Atlanta here and goals Echo. And if you look at the current air strikers, a crap team in Italy, I'm not sure they'll go into Euro 2024. It will be just Kamaka Ufie. Because if you talk about Italy strikers, no, now me him the last time call up here, Unya Bidize Lorenzo Luca for Udini. The performance not saying.
Okay.
Africa, and I say in world football, why now be ball with who the striker can want them. We talk about branch friend Zagani, who knows him. You talk of Raspadori at Napoli. The kind of performance or manner is not something you go and say there who could defend the Euro. Zaniolo. You are forward. Kiazana to me, or a pure striker. So Kiazana to me, Bono Juventus Kakro and Vlahovic, then or your range granted Uhunuano. So now their best belt for them as number 9. Kamaka and no custom to a free West Ham United by Romusa West Ham Bona Nyadiope. But it wasn't on the performance now go ye. Manager not near one as a manager, so one yet Michel Antonio Starnibia Untimimbo. This is a person I know about Filani Moon now number 9. And Filani was giving him goals. When a strikers or don't bobo, if you are not in that lane, and now they'll bet me are using what you do ye. So Skamaka back to Atlanta, and so you was about torn home or Amford. And no crab one for a campaign mano. Because in that game against Liverpool, we heard Juma boy after 10 was back-to-back goal against Port Lisbon. No back Anfield by Juman, and now was signed twice for Jumana. Nobody will say any campaign for Mano. You be a campaign, dear Mano. No back and so Baby Jinabi Jumana to the mighty. And the way I know he will come and lead them. And so Bans or Baby Jumano, if they are going to give them the needed passes and the opportunities now. But my Jumana to me the moment they will come and defend. I'm not title, so much me run free group in my group netting. But much me free match into me top by they will come good and come and perform. Olympiacos team no, or make a canyon album, or more some call by Biana, you might answer Famono, and do more yejuma. So they'll come up a story about Christian
Karimbu,
or your strategy advisor. This is a
Champions League.
This is a person, Yakwako Fanaba say. I was going through bench, and they having former Sevilla coach no Europa League for them. Mendeliba. One day they have a scout who has worked at Barcelona. And to make a team need their bomb. Team need to maybe I say or more Dimbebre. But if you look at their performance with fear, you look at their performance in the Europe, so the way now, it tells you how strategic they are. And look at how confident the president was. And probably in the video, he knows how Juma. And a Juman pay results ever and sweet me the man. Oh my idea, and you blame me Aston Villa, but you're not doing any Una Emery, but you're doing no Aston Villa players never currently. This is almost standard. It will come. A rather told once there be Hannah Madrid, but you might do no my pim and or wouldn't be I some 10 results there be. Yes, a football there, but I'm yes to make more 10 results in the fancy.
Okay, what may I say? Mammy Shaman for messages in the Kakrana. I am praying him now. 10 against on common answer, baby, I'm a depa. Nessa won't to mean blaming Pimani because I open Hurricane. Why admit it? No one can now command Rasmus Hoylander. Meme can't check 10 Haggis and I want me and qualify Champions League. What's it? What do you so was he cara say oh manager coach no we no Juma Brita na they assemble
fancy you see me 10 Hag interview on Gary Neville at Nasia ni nyina
ya shishana
and yes ya shishe I sympathize with him and I say he knows the deep root problems of Manchester United.
I don't know the amount in as the long and short and say Ten Hag a banner say be a proper only Juma and Casa but Manchester problem soon
as that is the right word you've used.
And yet how wabetum
and it is a problem and yet dating back to last 2 years. This is a Manchester United as a yari did do move for bed.
Sompa
to be for 2 minutes. And I say the park for 1 year and for 2 years here.
And you hear Jesus Christ.
You hear Jesus Christ. But the key takeaways of Ninsa more kind fancy me. I sympathize with him, you know. The Edikai. There never be a question about the whole structure of the club as compared to IAS and a Bayern. Go fast so home so.
From passing Biao.
Every Osaka say on to me can anything negative about the structure of the club.
Then it means negative.
It means negative. And no one of us, the poster no one of us or coin hono. I know yet. And they toss with me, you know. Manager one year over 60 plus injuries this season. On some more injuries in her money tatas no Chelsea. Her Manchester United. Now Tottenham at some point in time, I don't say Mickey van der Ven.
Liverpool su benya bi.
Liverpool benya bi na hono na drop ne chance say bo bank kakra na de neighbor ni na enye ye haye. Conor Bradley bought 2 games at Tefa so we na for mo say no Trent Ama Asamasi. We bought 31 different defensive combinations. Fancy backline.
Nanu ya kwa Mogane defense Kamboala
mu nyina ba bubo bi. E say Casemiro mo kra na ebo free chiro on musa so de ba. Fancy you sympathize with him. Me no. He's not a perfect manager.
Okay.
Let me state this clear. Ten Hag only the perfect manager. On hindsight. Your games be on my tactical team so on one ama game na day.
Yeah.
But how can a good manager last season turn a bad manager overnight?
Big question.
How can a good manager Ebia would you to me last season when say on only changes winning Manchester United more matches than even the first 11? But how can the same manager not only changes winning in most games last season this season? Would you to me say the in-game management and then the substitutions are bad? Fancy. Me no. Me prefer say man one more season.
I'm Shadi. You say it's a sporting side in the Ratcliffe Aba. Na yenye the signings no open man.
Almost I'm the technical director.
Okay.
Yeah. So first na Manchester United NB. Almost say man sporting director. Almost man head of recruitment.
Sompa Sports.
And allow him to coach a Lessie.
He should focus. Yes, all focus on park and so tactics and all that.
Because last season, no one they dealing with players and adaptation with sale process na ekoso no. Because sale process no, omo carry even the staff are no more Manchester United. It will a coach na a player kwa unim de ekoso unim faith. Ye to su mienu. Rashford mo your money club, your money san your money nyina off the pitch issues na who do ni na you supposed to deal with it. The nasty things in your man say on Manchester United backroom staff on nyina ne adade commodity ne staff. Wycliffe nkwa ba Perkins awa be free on adade nyina. O staff ne report wo adwuma o. What's the Wycliffe ban and say no staff na no mo ye adwuma away from the office o mo ye free fie nyina no. He has told them point blank say no obete so. Wa wonim say wuntimi ma office on be ye adwuma no. And adwuma no.
Amokra be mu ba adwuma late.
E be mu kra sa ba adwuma. So all of these things he has to do with Sanyoma Wenya San wasa recruitment team. As I got say, I said this, and some negotiations are through baby. I wouldn't say he and so on the better than go. All of these problems.
Actually, a banner about share honor to us. Matthias. Well, my main messages, Nick Akrena, my man, Cristolbo Bravo say, Atalanta scoring Liverpool was the coach's mistake to announce his departure whilst they were competing well. Suddenly, everything. They teared up because football is a mental game. O message Mr. Osanka with mission here mama now the body anka many beje power kwabena say I think Chelsea plays better without Enzo in the team and Gallagher plays with Caicedo and when Gallagher plays with Caicedo as double pivot see how fancy Maria get from this morning. So far the matches on my bar. Caicedo no Gallagher. Say enuntina no mo say nkebia Enzo no bot san nkebia as 10. But also buy no ocean answer hodini no. Afen my Martinez. So we are all growing there. Better na.
What's that? What did you say?
So growing show one day. Better na there. Better no is one hodini there. Bobo. Growing area chona na say. And I feel no neighbor. Okay. Well, Abbas Zachary say good morning to you all for the best sports station. Keep it up. And also a message on Facebook and so and on our face. Where Rick Wade or say the inverted fullbacks only happened because of the unavailability of Chilwell and Gusto since both are flying fullbacks. Have you ever seen Kyle Walker playing as an inverted fullback? A question. And Obisa or say I don't think this 3-2-5 tactic that we've seen against Villa and Spurs is here to stay. We are the from an on to Asubim Obejaho actually a hard drink
here to stay because if Gusto and Chilwell becomes available.
Yes, think about me.
If Chilwell and Gusto
because and what say a drew baby a kukura a crana moon film for Quatum Sampa.
Man say Mamu defensive.
Flexible. We are well organized. Oh, me that's me za. Leicester Ghana Limited. Yas to face, yas to brush, and also will drop so ya bomodian so be pebi and swato. Makacho say household dinin and muhia yas to face, yas to brush, yawa yas herbal, yawa yas whitening, and a yas total care. Nina no a toothpaste, and a Duke a toothbrush, Prince and a Princess, Duchess and in Kwadani Diana Monarch, Nina no a yas toothbrush, way diano dinkakra, the ice a honey horse, brush no biano, Wobenya be our yas and so a dinimo, or brush you teeth and or brush you teeth and so anajua, a clean sea, a clear tetramaso, a deep be about tetramaso and intamonum and your day. What 10 your man, you know, why now con shadan no crass impo, would it be crab come on, sans one, you know, I just said doubt tetramaso, you know, yas toothpaste and in the brush, a be cleso, I'm a woody dear, or better there, no matter what my boss, so buying, I'm a chess or gum and so anya what dimapa, but Marian so be pebi ato enyana mamo ye shops out say provision shops ni nyina no munyi bi so enton udu adum pizzas kajet around about abenya di be and say yas product ni bi ato enso ewo ho aye 0501 390337 and I say 0501 390338. Time about mixture, your time about mixture no. Our pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops in Yinamo. Baby Tonanum, Ababow, we will be a honamre about Jason, so nantem, or Sorentum Konuma, so do be a watobaha. What think Cassani Pedriana Emre, say, and to me now on Dibium and Fanya Juma. General bodily pain about drawing a time about mixture. Malaria what tested about positive. What drawn a time about mixture, Beckley, nay fever. Now so their fruit pedranimo and what ye a dranin so no do touch on my so one so no the drani and one is saying and my mouth for TB do your own community. What is calculated and was saying Johnny table so what drawn at your time heba meshabeboa pa a time not just what your time now day about a juma fee time about mixture and a capsules and ma and a memedru eduma kajnamo or about to be no Beman su tobinum wa be dia dance yesanse droyi eboa e prepare system ni mo amani pedwano so e function ye 0244 417-669 na chese time enupa no wajibi na fe won so wabobo amani pedwano enso anya na ho demapa na bafu polo atade ni bi ni amasa hwe enti se open v-neck open round neck and also polo shirt open golf shirt ni nyina na bafu polo say what the African print and a pam santa de enso ama wo hye de akọ wedding what the engagement to the programs outdoor who took out me hwe bafu polo ba bia wo ko bia no wo hye bafu polo atade a wo demonstration and my dear wom and my small benyamo dear who place order and obenyan watchna and into companies and schools I'm open to do Friday wear and I say be a Wednesday wear midweek dear no bafu polos thousands and I open crana less than 2 weeks of pam I'm on saka on tadenum and I print no see a kama over yes nimpa ne kono so mbie ahenema kokko ben off Santase kwane so 0249 600 789 0599 899919 na bafu polo and so enjoy so yanko break remember na yaba beto so e dey for still live on Sompa 93.1 FM live on Facebook and of course live on TV yafa commercials kakra bi aba
Sompa Sports. Hey, Sewa, me who watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina me beko. Me nkrata kra ni.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wan ya otchedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua de a Express Group do beko man bi to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. Bishop Mechi Akwan Kumasi Asafo Labour runabout hwa Accra nso omo Carnation First Light Tema omo Community 18 Lashebi Girl Filling Station. From mo ahomatrofo iso 055-555-0067 ana 0249-000448.
Mamishe time HH heba Mr. Bi na wonumi ene wa tadropa eya dro se emani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwotia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebe dwaso wono a na the time HH heba Mr. Edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu anum bi wopemfo ene oba wo ma akra nufo enso anum bi time HH heba Mr. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH heba Mr. Eyedro say FDA ade edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey amoku bi Ashford Princess and obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy wodie na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow dodomi ye dani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
And not to give.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and you're about ever so.
Maybe do this offending now.
Bra, some make us a midi time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn time about Misha.
I never go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What drawn a time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do me and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm one who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be at an ziba a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA aji a judging cratoi atom.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong.
One was yachting. St. Andrews, Midfielder, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, what it jumbo from our SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Midfielder or Ghana, Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schooler, go school over Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
You listening to me on the radio. I know exactly what you need. And I go sort you out. But first, quick introduction. Maybe the connection man. I'll make things happen. Whether it be business, fashion, or the latest trend in town, I go connect you. I know when people connect, big things they happen. I am the plug to your plug. Anything you want, I go show you where options they line them up for you. You want download or you want stream? Link up. I got you. I conquer everywhere. From circle to Kikitia. Yakuma to Navrum. Yosu to Kita. Techima to Kumbungu. I'll be the link between you and the next big opportunity. It be me where I go connect you, make it happen. Oh, you want to know my name? I am Telecel.
Switch to Telecel for the best value voice and data services and connect to the things that matter. Connecting dreams, connecting goals, connecting passions.
Telecel, connecting energies.
Yes, Yemre na fe kin Lutan fa diakano emeso so mfame e ofina mezawa ha fe meka se Ricardo Varas enso ha ebehwem na ede diakan nyina na so enso ede amamo doctors and nurses amo 21st clinic ye chiacha mamamfo se ye mama baso pa amo ye adwuma because mo ba sere musi no mo di nkomo ene se de more time emo mo no nye mo na mo beka mo bana na beka amo djuma baso bo e fafidie so de amamo se mo ye adwuma ntia mo baso nti 21st clinic mo nkwana mo nkwaje ma yare sa ehia pa na maka cho se enye usika bi nti sika de bamparifo kra ka se sika de betoi nti ye besa gya won so akonti ka sika de openi na clinic ne de ano sabi wo nyamo bossa otemase nti onko okay nti yese brane ntu ya de asema obie no no ma ya de no wo ba wo tu asema obesa nya obiem nti bra 21st ne ntu asema wa bra wo kwa o ma biem because yense hu wie ne aba be ka jo se beto adru tu ba ye tu asena wo ba ne ye tu asena wo ebenya anka Ghana kwanko bia nya rebiem 21st clinic bra be jo ya resana mum sciatica na ya de bone pa ba kono no wo tini dia be ka so obo 9 sciatica or sciatic nerves no bomodian so be kono akwago tu ase ntini na efi wachi e ba chasa wo to ase wo 9 kokom wo sire mu 92 ene chasa wo 19 mu twetwe na mu ya bomodian so be ko 21st ho no ya de abefu mfidie e ya adwuma boawo ama neoma so aye fine e de ama 21st e ya adwuma e wo sunwane enkronza na fe techiman ya wo Boase Council Quarters Court Junction ya wo Kumasi ya Shaw Overseas Junction ya Ben Alpha Radio na fe enkran so ya Dummy Market 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 21st clinic emperfor no ebejo so akoko nam de ede minim ni po beka so onwa akoko na se de aye kalomo ama na se de aye chinchingama na se mpowa kaso wa ye mpusu na wa je wa ye sinchen na umia bie na na rewa akoko no ya na fine pa nti akoko no ya to fi akoko no bi aye Boris B chicken Boris B akoko no nam na ede aye halal tramofona ye bibia kamanu nti wo ye choba wo ye restaurant na se mpo mo ye fast food say mo ye fried rice no na jollof rice no chese plain rice mo to mo watch no e wo kwan chan no nyina no wonya Boris B so akoko no bia beboa pa ye wo full chicken rings and ne sere afi gizzard no nyina no benya bia akoko no part bia wo to o pe bia to bia no Boris B say yen kan tro se bra beje santa say ye ne unity o ye die no hwafe Bantama High Street ahonso nsabe kan ye ne eye presby sorry no edi enhwe na afi asenwa senso marketo obenya bi auto eye 0544 4453 Boris B's chicken Jibi Tofa Kofi bibia be fine and so ama Kulun Ghana Limited one more a day a Hunchun capsules aba Hunchun capsules aye China for nubina one more de hamana na coming in nyani hini and I said drew oya bema jonsa eba pio oya bema jonsa what can wad na show shots mukrano nesan so good na wa drew no aye Hunchun afei wo jonso so hu ne maso ye wo jonso a wo te yaw e wo mo chese obema ni mu a draw and beboa ne mum edrum paso dia masa edrum paso ne hu bema anti edro ne Mr. Kill ebeboa oh masa ye bema so ne bema ye bema ne o ka sa anwo ye drum paso ne hu berema ye nwa so masa ye bema ne bema oh masa e say money born man na o ka ti be hu le be train na no ya wo gemo masa o de dade na to ne ha no di bua to pa no ko ba say ya oh send your was monim guas on kwa na kwakwaji wonim guas e nka ho utini ese ya mu ntire na munya musisi madwuma Mr. Kill masa e ma o kill ba o se esu sare ka se esuma se bia o kwa asane so ko fa de ba na o suro kai chino e kill masa bet me at to about 9 times radiamos and power. Yes, Bakuna is here and I bet that's with Mr. Kill. Oh, yes. Yes, all them punchy good no musu come to over. Odi ni aduane ne ba omo sunu omo so abrenche aduane nkra ba o se ka say na ID bomo ma ID na aduane ne ba di wutum se luto to ID ni nyina ba sa esi awada malandi wo kro wa o say there to atu ti Mr. Q ever Buama Bema watch now so come on. It's a man and what did to me done than a man and manager on the Araba Bazin tablet. No munya or bar, when you been out far now to Muzampa. AG and Kefu Wasiam one I come become. Now SMA menstrual disorders and irregular. I am menstrual flow. Else I couldn't in Anamasa obey was see or body was here when see I come a bow and my baby Okuno a condone. See Manos Mumba Namoba today or body Mama Dema Yan Rehan Hans Hache, my Bazama Bema Brigu. Mamma Fablem Mamma Manos only 2 minutes. One now dinner remit now my spectre say Memphma what Dema Debbie J Araba Bazin tablet. Nabu be a bebo man your man so I found Basadia 2 hours squamutrium. I 0244 275429 and 0206 271016. Luther BBI find here.
Oh, bruh, the distributor. Yeah.
Sompa
I'm watching. I'm putting me here. Masa, no didimudi ho. Touch and go for. And you Sabema de Metaka, Sabo Brana Nia. Now do see your form. And Abema so did do it because he can nibi. So what I say. A man for Sika Nibi, a man for Casa can see never. It also did do it. So what I say. I don't know man pana day. Akasa. My Bemania. And then Friday. Girigo. Me uncle go really. Right, Abrana Sunano Pina, you be breaking it down, attaching it down with Fisemu at Yamamo, and somehow do I bob one no pay full time. Juma Jadon Sunian Shas and free Black Stars and say, Obakaya 4 days ago, and you breaking story in the Mao as a Bianwaya fitness trainer at Dima the Black Stars, your friend Ricky Roy Romeo, Wada ni Bemkumso, na enuna no kopie Ghana Football Association, almost secretariat, the family of the late Black Stars fitness trainer, Opinion Ricky Roy Romeo, the Triple R man, Nabusian officially, Omutimi Eramu Ghana Football Association, I say, informing the Ghana Football Association president and the executive council members, Sompa, or Ramribia Trump, Naso Ramo Black Stars, I say, or what place Momotinity, or Mopom Sarabaya, or Mopom doing Samba Kwankano, what Danny Bonkumso, and Tinra Omuko say, a year, I'm a Biasu fine, and no idea bar, and watching young Ram one do on a MTN FA Cup, quarter finals now, and Rama or studied game no Timmy Toja, Emma Tima, your friend Dreams FC, actually Timmy Freno, soccer intellectuals, a Bomuka Bakwa, or one to the Dalum boy, the star boy, and Abdul Aziz Issa, and go back, Komene Piamono, Edma Dreams FC, and Namsoma so far Koroma, South boy, now your friend or star boy, no, say, why say Abe, and Fasobe Brenaban home, a drop banaba, and no shootout yet touching it down. Edma said yet, Sporting Lisbon, forces are Brente Isahaku, Fatah Obeko Lestadia, the perfect replacement, Ebetmaya Kodawe, and watch the say. Team friend Leverkusen or Germany, as such as say Bob Pruno Dreams, and watch Musa Roma, Northern Forest for as we didn't come out, and watch Nadi Elali, and Zamali Fonina didn't come out, and Rakudani Jiramu Pusuatana, Edmund Dreams FC. Now, so far, Fishers now for semi finals now, say, and AC ATM, Uro Roma, say, best setter. Team of Legon Cities, Ebesha in Swatreman FC, and watch Nura Roma, Nessa Bofaquatano, and Dreams FC, and Besha Deate, as in Central Sports Arena, our summer boy, and a semi finals, now, a bet my cost for 2023-2024, MTN FA Cup semi finals, now, and no idea, na and what game the banner, and a Sarikino. Coach Abdul Karim Zito Ekasaye after sending Tima your friend Dreams FC Timi Ewuniente Sama Abdul Karim Zito editor
in charge of the possession, trying to penetrate through. but as you saw it yourself, they packed themselves afraid to open. So we also decided to hold the ball. After getting the one goal, we tried to manage the game to the end because, I'm going to play on Sompa in our away match. So I have to manage these boys. I told them not to rush, but try to possess, make sure that we possess to defend the goal. Because we get hold of the possession, we didn't want to Egyptian game, and seriously have commitment to manage the game to end it 1-0.
And some coach Abdul Karim Zito and to ja not so manage game no dey here and so what team win award advance akopia the semi-final stage of the MTN FA Cup no na reporter made 10 checks me and say team friend in Swatraman FC bus semi-finals one Legon Cities and besia dey made 10 say owura your friend honorable Ignatius Bafo team ni ayane diano owura no say MTN FA Cup enye ne target de na mom ekoba say team friend so atraman for team gia Africa no obemo makwa so coach say Maxwell Kunadu na so bifune squad ne kakra omo betimi akwa Africa no ama be kama enu achine basa dia na se nana amo akwa Mansa Park babia nso atraman FC omu so maka no obesai aye aduma kakra ho se de be CAF Confederation Cup no ometuma bo group stages no eso ntese nso atraman for omani abro mo prepare ma bibia eso atima fine na enu achino nyame pa na otwi awieye Uramo Ghana Premier League na match week 29 in Swatrama for Kopemo Pando na Pando no mo kono omne Heart of Lions and the air copim so na say almost starters makuma 4 omunyina abra eye big blow edma coach Maxwell Kunadu and in Swatrama bobo ekono Abrante Abdul Manaf Omar Abrantana Bra want to be NC can from Wamo and watch Sadat Muhammad Asu Abra want to be enjoying it and a Nema Wallet Fuseni on Supemo and Swatramana on Swapra and a Branta Richard Aqua on Swapra and a reporter from Asoy Eba Yadi Emma Munano Pay na Yagramwa Santi Kotoko Asway yet Tibiano Pay Esename Passan Day Kotoko Legon Cities and a ball na omo pese game on the command day near tennis the Biantana me Bopumuko Reverend Alex Manu Kotoko Circle say was sentimental one chairman and I'm the chairman couldn't cause a chairman Wadaruma one now Ashanti Regional Circus chairman na Kotoko game Sunday no Mode ko akwa PM on Mandana Yentin Chima or the so confirm yana
cancel say the match Sunday 3 p.m. supported and taking note of that. Now Kotoko against Legon Cities Sunday 3 p.m. over Virus Sports Stadium. A gate fees may popular stand 20 cities, Central Line 30 cities, VIP rates 40 cities, VIP main 70 cities.
And no Edia Chairman Alex Manu Edema said game no a Sunday 3 p.m. El Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Hona game be to Bia and Timimra na take it prices and all what the two Jan Upe take it in the Biatwa. I dare say Uko a gator Ubetimi enya take it in the Biato and what you know said what the two 20 Ghana cities popular stand Central 30 VIP wings 40 na VIP men 70 and watching a busa chairman said Chairman Les Manway Yati says more launchy operation 16 points out of 18 points akano musemu pemu 16 ayano krana
Martin you're gonna all out until the end say you're gonna match after match the match be could be we put in all our arsenal to make sure say budget 3 points I don't need to say idea supporters of Asante Kotoko yes
na say operation 16 points bia match after match says 3 points a domanim no Legon City Sandom Juvia na so mo say komonim na eno ne ebusa so kotoko supporters mo bo against nations omo invade pitch no empanyimfo mo kopie mo court wo asokwa circuit court ema omo etu asem no sheda ena ne yete se omo ebe appear before the court na ne fans ni twum berima can be omo timi court na
Menu can say Omo me as we chairman me come I am Mr. Rep honum when pen for Koto company for supporters front pen for na honum look as in my elite at moment me ko want to do moment afina the time also me ko
Nessa and there omuko court the every court no beto from bia no ebo 3 p.m. shootout so ya de ebe bremo na ye romo heart of folk kwaso ye oka kotoko no anka asa etse wasa kapoma no wanwam ese obeda no wankoto ese wo fufuo no wamupa entwaye enti romo heart of folk kwadwo obin junior where former heart of folk player was as problems play wo has no say in the city
every day, players, me to me, the moment is more problem and more non shut free players on the match. I'm also more come every day. Legion of house about almost 7 seasons, you know, experience wise, most of more non free players and it's but I'm almost to no Tebaya no I'm a player and no man else to be double born among. I'm going to to treat players. We do you some of my team. I'm going to treat players. And I had hear me.
Was it none Dakra? A Calan say, heart of folk, one too many deal. Or more Jumama has been one too many. Time, Heart of Lions, just your corner, your kuchawamo, a Lions so and to me and say that. Na ban say freeway Accra Lions etimachi aseye ni nyina yan somebody to go come for to treat players no omunhwe ye na nye players na ye bibi ene nsem akwadwo obin junior de to ye ne en watch ne yete out of game omuni brekum Chelsea bebo na nke Saturday and also game no eba so ma postpone e de ko Wednesday and ye koye ne ne owura we communication team member edma brekum Chelsea owura friend obin AJ Isaac kwodi nkomo and you say DNT and a game on the house Ebebono or more a postponed game no at Wednesday.
Na get say the teachers in across for game. I mean I don't game no. But you know say Brekum Golden City Park no Brekum Municipal Assembly. Brekum Chelsea you need 100% control of parking. It's the assembly in my head is you know the cost of parking so. Na jumadi ni be wie nyame adma memenda ena jumadi ni be wie nti ye Brekum Chelsea try the command e fini senka ye mo akansi no Sunday after so mo wie program no e go ni City Park but yes fish my say go start time schedule no my na say we bo Saturday na we abo Sunday so we crab bo Saturday we bo Sunday anyway nti Brekum Chelsea dey call say person bo akansi no Sunday no start times ne e feel my head say kotokon so be Sunday baba 3 p.m. no which ain't possible say house ne kotoko at the same time e ma coverage no aye bibi ho nti back and forth any infinite na I can see they say the midweek ya me adoma Wednesday say be ya e ma start times so that opportunity now omotimi cover a game no
and you and communication team member my Brekum Chelsea and you obey AJ Isaac Ademaye and watching Ebusan so oh na born now omo 2 at their question Wednesday no mo Brekum Chelsea for ebeboa mo die
he is a Brekum Chelsea after say you call Dubai no now you pay enough time and they are prepared for this successful game until you cry you be you say nka you born Saturday you come make enough time I am prepared. Nti nyame adunya be 3-4 days aka ho no I think say no kwabebo team Brekum Chelsea am enough preparation because say dey ya adwin say dey bia e bo sa game we no bia no we are ready say ye ne Hasbrook e be say aka e be 3 points so if you has to full but it's good abeboa because na no you 2 or 3 injuries go campa na injuries no enka e be take be 4-5 days This I do we are band between them between just any hono. Na in players na omuye doubtful ni no. No mu nyina fully fit Wednesday no mu nyina between Siakan.
Na yene ni wie no wase coach Evan Samuel Boadu Kofi Yesu. Me a wo mi has for no. Has wo mi wo mo papa wase wo mo promise brekum Chelsea players no. Eso mo hye hasa obeya ade we e de ama wo mo.
Far brekum Chelsea. This week na ye week or ye trainer team say na okay can e wo soro pa.
That's what we say there also phobia.
Yes. Me o ka chere me say na 2 games. Na hia no pa. Your matches na aka no. And we ba kwa free last week e Golden City Park. And match we match hia no kese pa. And can you believe some of those promise guys no? Say omo we ni game no be one special bonus.
Oh wow.
Aside the club they be more no. He's willing to pay the players no on what the Tikabema club na more special bonus. And so it tells you yeah, choir and say who and here and say here Emma be two Chelsea guys is able to me awareness argument. The question of board the intermediate say now okay can also mini game no and you move fit
fancy out here
they are quite DM said or so just a house crane crab on mama
I wa mini game no pa na enra owura bi na odini birthday systematic press or Sompa Nkranza no was say or ya down anka or person ko send you na ohunu say was send mo wa obedje ana sabo nye na mso ma ne ha ho na onye because they no obubodi no say bank be 200 na mso 200 don fanye hwe nti ma ne ha no send ma why and systematic birthday no de mo fanye no sa na mi akasa me brothers we did birthday your friend Dr. Opon Ntiamu Anyame Dr. Opon Ntiamu Anyame or pharmacist ewo Kumasi South Hospital nurse oncology department if you friend ura nti happy birthday ura nyankopon in sharp na omo ho ban fama ye fancy
well Luther ya say yemre na fe yemre to aso na yenhwem na brano so a ya toothpaste ya toothbrush adarma na ya famo course no nen so wa be fe bia obenya product nyame adma na stigma de wo to fa ha na wa ba beje o product no say wo be so kwama no ne ekoto a wo suku so we a scholarship wo be so kwama no ne ekoya adwuma nurses and midwives no mo IELTS makatro say IELTS any school for no SAT any mo GRE ni nyina no pass score a requirement I was say winya ansana ya jo e wo Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand and afi Germany amwa betwa usuku so the American nyina na scholarship benediction so say when a fully funded I just say wunya ne bia express group for NFL say bomodian so be ba mo so mo be say mo kodi mo holidays e wa broche no so ono mpanifo no betena se aka abroche ko no mo nsem very simple cra Kumasi ya asafo labor about and crying Carnation First Light afi takrade market circle ohonom enye yira kwa busa obi abetro ana sunyan so omo Silver House building name omo ben court to dine ya no afre 0555550067 and I said 0249000448 and mountain mabawan so mo pejuma ya makacho say mo opportunity e wa mo embrace agriculture agribusiness afebana say technical and vocational skills and nyina no ye teto ye mount tie ye do fam na dachi bia no so watimi akonim amanoma so I fine and so a day amount aye Ghana gross jumadie where your Springboard Roadshow Foundation Mastercard Foundation omo and a Limehouse and a kabum just jumedi to say omo de bantitie bia opebia no ya besa de amount aye 0308 255775 youth between the ages of 15 to 35 monfre meza
fancy yes mamesha CMFM free Aziz Dreams FC
onombo bo
superb
akola no enimbo ne bankasa
superb
na me say de bia ket hwe ma fakao de na babe ne mfaso aba hu mo say for one my minority leader here just say be 6 million euros and
9.5 million euros
9.5 million euros
yes. And on say I'm not surprised to say the likes of Nottingham Forest money most of the English teams here interested in getting
Africa baby I mean you say
because of John Entry Kurt has a very good track record in terms of players for Africa, I say.
Yeah.
Anna, adwuma no we do baby na ombenya trust wo mu in terms of the talent you produce for them. Consistently no
or the Conquan sporting for Crabagin.
Yes.
Or wait till they are go straight to Leicester.
Or wait till they are go straight to Leicester. They will take it because Omuji to me say now on the producer for Tao Diama and
Sompa Sports.
But there is a lot of things he needs to learn from. Now no more game against Zamalek and now say to the Jinabo so check Accra even with under 20 inexperienced Kakra onimu. So he needs a step to be a bit me and born refining the Kakra. Now I think because talent
because Fatal Crown Leicester coach na are refining
Maresca and Wajuma Maresca said in Yabutre I yen Wajuma etnit and he said the bayan and money bit me apija. I think we say to bit my cash card and more back I mean ka said your one nam kwan so no mo pese FA Cup no now they've qualified for the semi-final but abo for kwa. Well, on the other hand side, in Suatrema, Subebo, Legon cities. I think all three of them now, Moka Dreams FC, are capable of stopping Dreams FC from winning the competition. But Ubebusa says Suatre, how ready they are, Ubebusa Legon cities, how ready they are, Overhead Bofakwa, how ready they are. Fancy, all of these things are questions. I mean, that can be believed, Pana, Mijitumi, Pana. Dreams FC should be echoed towards winning this particular competition to go again. Because it's saying, fancy, or my boy, can do baby. What they mention as and they've gotten the experience. Now Kakula wins and Kobo back on count. Nanke man is Kobo back African man is Ambo back on Zankam. Omu maintaining Karim Zito. Most of the young boys no more. Even Omu defensive midfielder Emmanuel Eji. Superb. Omu maintaining core part of this particular team. Now Komo more Confederations Cup in the back. Or the Omu free first round now a ball free qualification stage, you know. Fancy what they mention as no. And moon free or not the moon room or group stage, you know. So on the mention, they should enter into the group stage. Now the entry. I want to even find out if Dreams FC ball qualification stage be more before they enter into the group stage. Because there are some teams who more the first round of the qualification stage.
So Dreams one say in the debut season in the
points are no intimate funding level no. But at least if you should do that particular job or now come maintaining no more sama don entry money sa team na kasasa mo. Ni ehwade.
Bronze one a coefficient because be a country now free mono. So you African and eba there also qualifies.
Yeah.
From the preliminaries in the area abobi.
Yeah. Enti komo yiro mo ho a na komo ma akola na nsambo bi. Because we hear a little bit of consistency on that terrain, and when you experience much more on that terrain now, oh, Tony, they are more at least we are both Confederations Cup not to assume you know, penny age and the experience will be there. And man at 29, look at it, Massa. I go when I say my born yes simple. And yes, or
and then Nigerian or she go be now say as a training. Namoko Nigeria.
I'm not our power. To say for Taisha power, never been able to channel more shots send those things. I think there is a guy also Musheni Pano Mobuano. Now Utimisi na kwash. Now to House of Folk issues. Fancy. House of Folk and Casano. Kwajo being junior or see any players in the air wine. Yes, in the Pennyphobia Mudi actually. Me fancy. Let me say this clear. House of Folk in terms of the transfer market and the support, no more players, no more signing my team this year. No, none of the teams in the Ghana Premier League are signers. No. Yes.
Player quality.
Yes. Upon Franny, on the local terrain, and a 23 player been and anymore watching in terms of centre back, and when you say experience now upon Franny one. Let's be truthful to ourselves. Upon from the crown, initially crying the transfer window, no more person cool. A year treatment because now large is when your team on no, or my before upon from the Dinaco. House of Folk, quite a much upon from the deal, no, and then your market 12. Obibeka said there are much more talents that are better than upon from. Agreed. Football, you'll be and you'll be an everybody, initially the Ghana Premier League, you know. Ye am 23 for no money ball, but no pound from the count and no pound from the count. It maybe no apart from the bomb or more free about China and Aboga for in that and you. Fancy an ameboa. Yeah, qualified to the African Cup of Nations. Na bring Nigeria mobile. Na one and the dimuntin team my bar. Upon Franny. Or boy no Shiana. League kin face and what chile na no point for any nanti ko chinchini ba yin na no oba na point for any use as the pivot number 6 the marking facer obi o center back no House of Folk fan Kofi Agbesi man no na the captain the Manchester United meboa in terms of experience no man normal league in the Premier League na channel wa hwe be chimbia na say oh can top 3 or top 4 center backs in the Ghana Premier League untimi nyi Kofi Agbesi man fa ni mfirim omo fa na no man fa no fancy what dey mention as no they no be have Michael Ampedu right backs are no money boba Legon City so no ne Eric Osebu 2 and 3 and abako nso a 3 bako abahas fancy onimbo anu onimbo Livicious ata Tamale City me bo virus away Shebe bia e free bano you still have Ibrahim Salifu when Salifu is fitter attacking me for the yes there is no doubt about that most upon junior Obin junior monya de ni ade mo jije omo kwan Salim Adams akwaba meboa oda so im tangi na no wana atra kala ka sa akwade se do city board dey se do city
Linda ni mbobo
nam tangi anam ko fa glade na mo wo Joseph so Eric so ni nua no na mo ja na kwan se onya de onko mo ko yi bi fufuro ni nyina House of Folk board edi a kire ye ni nyina de mamo Monkwa players we na no coaches be na form de omaba. You see, players will never put their young players under the basta.
Yes, from the old kind there.
But don't be junior. Asem na all can. Players and form who players mun ka bibi mfenti omoda. Assistants and make say House of Folk structure mo yo modwumane omade ade. Me I strongly believe say bibi amope bi as players be mamo.
One of the best paid players.
Yenye po bi my ma omo. Afi ye po bi mama amokra no musa ko rezi and excuse basa bi de bai munya aduane ni
po bi mama no
teams are what was saying ene okru mu ase a omo sa ne ma no ku training oda hotel a hope usika nkem eye so ya na atwa winning bonus so ye ya na de amount and we no nko na ansa na watara be kono Abubakar assistant coach ni ya adwuma kakra mo sha ase mo ko FIFA coaches bi ado mo ba kroma ase o mo abebubu bruni coach ni kwa na de sembu omo ko fa omo di ka ko fa coach bi ba ase ya
match
na se training grounds no mo pamo no coach bi na sha ase we to mo no mo bo chances ni gua coach de be ka se Kubman Kubman stati musi we se means nti mo no koroko match bi o se say
watara okwe
watara so mama ye te Ivory Coast da wodua bete wo kire bi say
oho okwe oho
konkonsen yo te apaso akutwa kambine
asisa video no verse na de buy
Ananti akwakofa kuchaba. Still these players are failing to deliver this. When are these players going to be responsible for
it? And no plan here can was say oba in the first 3-4 games there. Ne jawu.
Me say
I'm on one can say House of Folk now onim dada no.
When are these players going to take responsibility for their actions? It de bia ne be pamo coach. De bia ne investment ne akwafa coach in Fanemra. Kodjon be junior. It's high time you speak to these players to because we are on for to also back up. Akami omotu. Odote omotre. House of Folk MD na nyon ebo nine o. Anameboa. One ebo nine. Ada na Hamza ne ampedu mo bona na omo hye na mo nkasa odote ni akambi mu na ya magos na board na ewe chi ni na magos ne ba. Me, I believe where Kojo Obin Jr. is coming from. Let me say this. Kojo Obin Jr. Momone, the board of House of Folk ente because they do not treat them well in terms of combo fast. So job mo so mo free team ni mo ko. Ayi kura be senior kura me sure so no kromo hia the training ground so. Kojo Obi Junior they told him point blank say we hia training ground so means wo. Mema ho.
Into I say any coach and wine.
It's high time that our players start taking responsibility for their actions.
I don't know invest in your thing is the moment the Bebas resource no start to say Chiano. Say a case be a manager nasa say be a to say mammy be a manager on a modern ball for ma. Players need to say so far as they blame the manager and quality.
We've always sacrificed relax. We've always relaxed in our terrain. And fancy, your players Lankasa no we invest in almost stocks. These are things that and to be a dream one mentia see fancy. Obo game we are on Lankasa Gini video here.
To say be a man for to turn you out of your mom, you should born more treadmill war.
Yeah,
maybe a gym your mama back. Yeah, back we out to me the NBBA.
To me the BBA. On fancy. Yeah, as an analyst and as a host and a presenter, don't you request for your videos? But so to you, I won't request for videos. You request for it. This place no where they enough is enough. Could you be junior munya is anyo man?
Oh, my first
but and then they say,
and then second and then third. And I tell me 10
days more.
I'm on the cough of CCR.
10 days more.
10 days more to Kotokore House. No,
yeah, train cars.
A year radio.
Yeah,
okay. Mate, Vaz Bromay.
Fancy. The TNS and 7 o'clock you have been junior cano. Menene nya because a camera quack said. Ya shawdi and local players now at time be a coach. How many times they fear oh bar no power when you issues with a internet are still a production representation now.
So no listen and the unknown found home. Oh my trana may be a microphone can say Nancy internet boy bonsuno quarry now.
Manu production how much nipani won't hand to Bayajuma because you wouldn't say a responsibility to be delivered and to be delivered. Yen players na kwa yen penny phone be a china. We say treatment ben now you play our pen or house of folk up as I am from my own diabina park 20 mile. And now go a car on the show money di home common. And you play to Mudina Park as well or Munim Domoya Park so. Today are some now kind of managers and now more team than him no more adding. Yen players no need to start taking responsibilities. Yemo who's a born or more born, your man or more ye. Said ya when it disobeyed your fans was from Pano. Fans is when it disobeyed household in a park, not house who deliver.
How bonny.
Yes. And Timunya saw good dear no that blame games in the Sanamano or Pia Juma or when your master cast will be dear no chia on to deliver said ya would tear Chirauno. Now I can say, some players no see a kind of Premier League in the other leagues no or many issues. But on Babina Park before me. Now later on Moka at the Hujuma, the Sans and Semna Debiada in place no air running behind and Panifobina I say. Debiara da, Yabeka has to focus him, Niakasebia, Team Ninkoso, players, Nessay and Panifo say players. Because yen to be as a players at 32 hours and why they team ye pamo money 90 each and every single time you see these players or more cancer more ujidi is a lightweight when it comes to explanation of the mouth as results into a team deliver. Has to folk I'll go to new brand now the players need to start taking responsibilities. So they catch a kotoko for them. Sabian and catch has for so in a park not that's what board this level are. And you no money any year. So Boko has to focus. Oh, Madrid ne Barcelona or Crum how.
I say, and then I say, BBI being a place ni born my own has no Kotokonu and Wab.
I privilege mount.
Obo Tima, Oshiakotoko, Shia has, or so didn't Tikran, a body my house, Nintis Kanko Fanama, maybe a medium and Conco Fanama, Ghana and Conco Fanama.
No, relaxing. Ghana players attitude. Ghana players in Kwana. Or Jessica Ketua performing, but Jessica Kessa no relaxing. Ghana players in Kwa. and it's about time yen kasa answer and trono munya sa blame games no MYA kotokofo no nya operating 1 point operating 1 point no ye nya no ma ese so mo ye no enye sa operating 1 no sa operating 16 points operating 1 ye call out ni na ye kasa almost starting nya adwuma. It's about time I saw my Babaya Sports near Fortress, my man for. Say teams in a bar when said that be Babaya this year calculations. I am 4 points in Kahun. Circles need not Casacasa no mum de no munjuma because I would now lose two matches anyhow. You don't expect a team be about having nations have a show. Lions have a show. Then I just said, Legonchi is about how to meet you. Nancy, what do you want? See when Obama Bayara in the
grass in Yamenqua.
Nti nim sekotoko fie ho de se ho nya hubiem eno ne ade a mo hwanya ne ye ko all out ne nye kasakasa ne sa ne manema no now amanfo hia result o mo amanfo win mo nko mo tenu na kotoko fie enye mo set up na mo ntimi nya ne o ma ye fancy
Mativeras me da say wo ya ba be famo ne mom togbe a bank ka zigligbo sokalu makacho say Joseph Fijase kwan no so bomfa Hospital Junction ana togbe we Takas TV YouTube no so say ya men won subscribe na mo hwe no spiritual teachings ne olden day spiritual talks and spiritual sickness ne nyina no frɛ no 0244484747 obajo so na nkomo bia ka bia no one na di shark mamenye birthdays no real quick na me mama family course no yas toothpaste yas toothbrush and so adaroma what dey kan happy birthday going out to Queen Akosua Trimude aka Queen Lee and your birthday happy birthday and so call ama Queen Akosua Trimude nyamenye wakoma so ade emma when so say happy birthday to Seth Kwabena Yaboa Skyboy from Varas say Skyboy yama happy birthday nyame enton supangu odai so na oma bibia enso enye fine emma BM enso happy birthday to Lady Jocelyn Owusu and I from Sami essay or show I would up Jocelyn birthday blessings their bless up now bibia so enye kama emfama na last but not the least happy birthday going out to Manford Odame aka Zima